What's up guys, RB here, and today we're going to be using Filmora 14 to create a movie trailer. Now, I've gone with the style of Guy Ritchie, who's one of my most favourite directors, making such films as Lock, Stock and Two Smoking Barrels. Let's have a look and see what I...
London, city of kings, crooks, bankers and bastards. A place where deals are made with handshakes or handguns. And in this world, timing is everything. Meet Darius King, sharp suit and sharper mind. Has a little finger in a little pie. Then there's Reaper Carter, ex-boxer, ex-gangster. Big finger, big pies. He's got a score to settle and he ain't bringing tea. You see, money moves fast in London, but trouble, that moves even faster. And in this city, if you ain't fighting, you're losing. Everything's about the paper. Who's got it, who wants it, and who's willing to kill for it. Which brings us to the UK Yakuza, a hard firm, sharp suits and sharper swords. He's got an offer, one you can't refuse. But the streets, they've got rules. The real power ain't the law, it's who breaks it best. And when the stakes get high, the players get bigger. Darius knows the game, but this time, the game's playing him. One job, one shot, and one wrong move. And suddenly, you're dealing with the big boys. See, when you're in London, you gotta fight. And when the bullets start flying, only one thing matters. Who's still standing at the end? And in London, you either take the city or it takes you.
And that's a wrap guys, thank you so much for checking out my video, and as always, I'll see you next time.